In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to set Siri to only respond to your voice. This enhances security and privacy by preventing unauthorized access to personal information and device functions. To do this, simply head to your phone settings. Scroll down onto Siri. It can be Apple Intelligence and Siri. You will want to select on Talk to Siri. Make sure this option of marked on off. Now go ahead and select on Hey, Siri. Tap on Continue. Now you will want to say the words on your screen. Make sure you are in a quiet environment for Siri to detect your voice accurately. And the other thing is to be loud enough while saying these words. Now once done, tap right here to save your voice command. By resetting up your Siri, it enhances its accuracy and ensure it aligns with your current preferences and needs. Over time, your voice, habits, or frequently used apps may change, which can affect Siri's ability to understand and assist effectively. Well, that's how easy it is to set Siri to only respond to your voice.